Calvin?
I'm Jordan.
Jordan, you're red.
You're red?
Calvin? You're green. No, green. You're Calvin, right? I love the Mickey. There's another one. I forgot what it looks like.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Did you ever find David? Yeah, right? It's just Alex and Kyla for the next one.
We have Dominic.
Are you Kyla? No?
No, she's Dominic.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
David O.D.? You want to send a message? He's from where?
Oh, shoot, hold on. Oh, no, hold on. How do I go back to my matches? Match. Yeah, okay. We'll just see if you can find David. David on game? I hope nothing happens because...
All right.
Did anything happen? Okay. Two
red.
Okay, I already sent it about David. Did it stop?
Stop, yeah.
Why is it small? Did we, but no other points or anything?
No, just two red. And green is going bottom. Yeah, very much.
She didn't check with us.
I'm about to say, yes. Are you sure?
They just called them.
Yeah, they just called.
So should we do 5 minutes? How do we keep track of 5 minutes?
You want me to do 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Alex, put 5 minutes on the clock.
Right where it's in, when they hit 13, he's going for 95. The records were outside.
2 takedown, 2 near fall.
Red.
What? Oh, he didn't stop it. She didn't make any points though, right?
Yes. Okay.
He's not here?
Yeah, he's here.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. What? Period 2? Red takes bottom.
Red takes bottom?
And then period 2.
Hold on. Okay, thank you. 12? They're here. Thank you. What was that? 2?
I didn't hear.
Did he score another 2?
They would have told us.
Blue! Was there an additional 2? No? It's score's good? The score's good?
The squares win?
Okay. Thank you.
Just 5? Just 5?
You called something, but I didn't see what it was. Is red supposed to have 5? That's what I was asking. Okay. If that's penalty, is it going to give me a plus?
It's good.
There we go. Thank you. Okay. I never got to put the...
Do you guys ever need to add or subtract points? So you could just go +1, +2, +3, -1, -2, -3.
Okay. Well, because it tells you exactly what the thing
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
Thank
I'm saying
you.
like in that instance where you just need to add it real quick.
Okay. Thanks.
Or, you know, just a tip.
Thank you. No, we need every tip we can get.
Alex Hernandez and Kyla, are they here?
Running.
Yeah. I thought Alex is here. Kayla,
Who did the red?